Hi guys, my name is Nosipho Mhlanga. I'm an actress and a blogger. I'm here at Hair Clinic International. Follow me. This is my natural hair, but if you saw me 3 months ago, oh my gosh, I was bald. So I decided to go on Google just to check for tips. Hair Clinic International website popped out. This is very exciting. This is literally 2 months and I look like this. Before I got here, I was very uncomfortable. I was even scared to be assessed because I didn't want anyone to see me with my natural hair. But as soon as I got here, everyone here was very friendly and I thought to myself, maybe I'm gonna be okay. I was a bit skeptical because I had tried so many things before. If you're experiencing the very same thing that I experienced, get hold of Hair Clinic International, then you'll be sorted and be happy just like me.